So you've finally picked the country you want to move to, but now comes the tricky part, applying for a visa. The good news? You don't need to pay expensive agents to do it for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply for your visa yourself, the smart, simple, and stress-free way. Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Abroad Hub. This is episode 2 of our Move Abroad Blueprint series, where we're breaking down everything you need to know to move abroad confidently. If you haven't watched episode 1 about choosing the right country, make sure to check it out after this one. Step 1. Start with the official source. Forget third-party websites. The only place you should trust for visa information is the official government or embassy website of the country you want to move to. Just Google country name official immigration website, for example, Canada official immigration site, or Germany work visa embassy page. These sites have the most accurate, updated info on visa types, eligibility, and required documents. Step 2. Identify the right visa type. Every country offers multiple visa categories: work visa, student visa, family visa, digital nomad visa, etc. Choose the one that matches your reason for moving. For example, moving for a job? Apply for a work visa. Studying abroad? Look for a student visa. Working remotely? A digital nomad visa might be perfect for you. Pro tip: some countries even allow visa conversion late, like switching from a tourist to a work visa. So research your long-term options too. Step 3. Gather your documents. This is where most people get stuck, but it's actually simple if you follow the checklist from the official website. Typical documents include a valid passport with at least 6 months validity, proof of funds or bank statement, job offer or university admission letter, if applicable, health insurance police clearance certificate, proof of accommodation. Scan and store everything digitally. It makes your application smoother. Step 4. Fill out the application online. Most countries now have online portals where you can fill out your visa form and upload documents. Take your time, double-check every detail, and avoid spelling mistakes. Once done, pay your visa fee directly through the portal. Avoid scammers. Always check that the website URL starts with .gov or ends with the country's official domain, like .ca, .uk, or .d. Never send money through personal links or emails. Step 5. Schedule your appointment or biometrics. After submitting your form, you'll usually need to book an appointment for biometrics or an interview at your nearest visa center or embassy. Bring printed copies of your documents, your appointment confirmation, and your passport. Pro tip: arrive early and dress neatly. First impressions can make a difference. Step 6. Track your application. Once your application is submitted, you can track its progress online using your reference number. Processing times vary by country, from a few days to a few months, so be patient. Use this time to plan your move, housing, job search, or learning the local language. Let me be honest, the visa process can feel overwhelming at first, but it's totally doable without an agent. The trick is to follow official sources, stay organized, and double-check everything. Most agents just copy your documents and apply using the same online system you have access to. So why pay hundreds of dollars for that? So there you have it, the smart way to apply for your visa without hiring agents. In the next episode, I'll show you how to find a job abroad or remote work opportunities before you even move. That's step 3 of our Move Abroad Blueprint. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your visa questions, and don't forget to subscribe to Life Abroad Hub. You're one step closer to your dream life abroad.